This is our newly acquired 1971 Volkswagen Beetle. It's a pretty complete car, minus the motor and transmission are both gone, but it's in pretty decent shape. It's been repainted at some point. All the hubcaps are there. It's got these weird wooden running boards that somebody put on it. The stripe, so I'd imagine it was painted in the 80s or early 90s. Interior is all pretty well complete. The door panel that's missing on that side is in the back of the car. Seats are actually in pretty good shape. The passenger seat is in worse shape, but it's just torn at the seam. And then the back seat's in pretty decent shape as well. It's still got the key in the ignition. Taillights are all there, bumpers are all there. Just seems to be short a motor and transmission. Imagine maybe somebody stole that out for a buggy project or something along the years. But it's really not in that bad a shape. You can tell somebody's fixed the rust there at the bottom of the body at some point. But yeah, here's our 1971 Volkswagen Beetle. Paid cash for this one. Picked it up from distant relative, and I've actually already got it sold. I had a guy come and look at it 2 days ago, and he messaged me yesterday and said that he would go ahead and take it the next time he was in the area. So it's going to get pushed back in its hole, and he'll be coming to pick it up, and be a cool little project for him and his family.